जय हिंद सर।
जय हिंद जी, जय हिंद। रमेश भाई, रमन भैया, please look at Gurukul.
Oh, I'm there. I'll
Okay,
start.
okay. It's time now. We can start.
GG morning, my friends. I trust you're all doing well this morning. We are ready to begin yet another day's training in our series on Kuber. Money is such a powerful motive. Money.
Just hold on, Ramesh bhai, you are on mute. Just hold on. Please unmute yourself. Yeah, please go ahead. Sorry.
GG morning, my friends, and welcome to yet another episode in our series on Kuber, the training for UPOS holders. Money, it's such a big motivator. It's such a big driver. It's such a big good thing, and it's such a big bad thing also. Today we move forward in our journey to make you richer, both in terms of money and in terms of knowledge. And to do this, we have a gentleman who has lived and breathed money for quite some time now. He was in his 9th standard when he began his first business. And from there onwards, business always had a fascination for him, although he chose to be employed in the insurance sector. He became a top performer in most of the insurance companies that he worked for. And then came a time when he decided that enough is enough and he wanted to be his own master. Taking 18 months leave from the entire business of earning money, he developed this wonderful system that we all know as Global Garner. He has a tremendous head for figures. No, not the kind of figures you're thinking about, mathematical figures. He has a tremendous head for making calculations. I think he can calculate figures faster than your own calculator. He's very aggressive when it comes to pursuing his dream. He's a great people guy. It doesn't seem like that, but he's very, very emotional and extremely passionate. The head of a 2,200 member family today, which is going to become 21,000 strong in just a year. A man who has ruled the world of insurance for a long time, who now wants to become the biggest company of its kind. A man who is not very interested in money at all, who is not interested in designations, who's not even really interested in power. This is the man who genuinely wants to be one of those people who will help the people right there at the bottom to become richer. With a lot of pride and pleasure, I present to you the Chairman and Managing Director of Global Garner, Vikas Rawat.
Thank you, Ramesh bhai. Thank you. Thanks for your whatever you do. Thank you very much. Okay. So, good morning, everyone. As told by the subject given by Raman Bhaiya to me is how we can use other segment of Global Garner and increase our income as a UPOS. Today I thought I should make a presentation and do all Gyan and everything. But then I thought not to make any presentation today. Let it be a very different presentation that I'm going to give you today. Today I'm going to talk very practical with you all. Very, very, very practical. Now, my point to you all is, first thing that I would like to ask, which product should you focus? If you are owning a business, which product do you focus to sell first? Which is giving you a high revenue, or which is giving you a low revenue? You can write in chat. I'll read out in chat. What product should you pitch first? High revenue or low revenue? High revenue. Okay. Everybody is talking about high revenue, high revenue. Okay. 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 Great. Great. Okay. So no one is telling me that you should pitch a low revenue product as customer requires. Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Of course, sometimes customer doesn't knows what he requires. This I also believe that, because let's say, and you also have experienced this. I will share one example with you. Whenever you go to any big super bazaar, like Big Bazaar or maybe Pantaloon, Shoppers Stop, any big outlet you go, you plan to buy there, let's say for worth rupees 2000. But do you really buy only 10, let's say 2000 rupee? You can write again. Or you end up buying more. Okay, okay, okay. Buying more, buying more. Okay, great. You must have seen McDonald's ad. Have ever you seen McDonald advertising his product which are on a very high cost? They always advertise their McGrills or maybe aloo tikki, which is 20-30 rupees, right? Because this is the way they bring the customer in. But once you enter McDonald's, you'll not find even a single display which says you buy Mac aloo tikki or McGrill. Right or wrong? Have you seen that or not? Again, you can write in the chat box. Have you ever seen any brand advertising their low margin product in their outlets? Right? No one does that. I can see that, and of course you are in line with me. But somehow I see when we buy a UPOS, we are not seeing what we are. Let me ask you like this. What is the commission that you get by selling, let's say, arrow shirts? You can write again in the chat box. When you sell a arrow shirt, how much commission that you get? Okay, someone is writing 14, 4, 14, 4, 14, 14, 14, 15. Okay, great. For most of the people are writing 14. Yes, it is 14. But how many of you have sold arrow vouchers? No, none. Why? Do we really have we really seen the potential of the income? Again, I will first of all take you to the commission segment, and then I will take you the calculator, and there we will see what is the real income available for us, right? Just hold on. First, let's go on this calculator. Is my calculator visible to you all? You can again write in the chat. Okay, it is visible. Now you see, I have seen, even when we have done that survey on our when you were asked to register for this program, we have seen that 90% people are focusing on which department? Bill pay and recharge. Right or wrong? Correct? What does bill pay and recharge do? First of all, it's a high, you have to convince more. you have to convince more to your customer because you are charging a convenience fee there, right? Right or wrong? Because if a customer has to pay 5,000 rupees bill, he has to pay not 5,000 but 5,000 plus 3% as convenience fee. Even on your UPOS, you cannot make his convenience fee zero. You can make his payment gateway charge zero, but you cannot make his convenience charge zero. So first of all, you are putting that product first, which has a negative feeling in the user. Correct? And after doing all that, what you are earning from them is 180 rupees per annum. Even if you are paying 60,000, the entire bill is coming to you, still you are only earning 180 rupees, where you have a customer who has to be convinced on that 3% extra charge. Correct? And everybody in every session asks me, sir, wo bill pay kab aayega? When will we have this bill pay, that bill pay, Airtel, when will Airtel will come? This is not a high revenue product for you. Your grocery is a high revenue product for you, and where you need not to convince a customer. Just like here we have taken for everything, we have taken only 2% as in consideration. In clothing, we have taken 3% only. Correct? You just think if this becomes 14%, or if this becomes 4% even, your income is bound to increase. In insurance, why are we not pushing insurance? Insurance is a good product because it gives you 5% flat. We are not pushing this because this will give you 7,500. You have loan which you can sell to your customers, which will give you almost 3,75,000 rupees if you even sell it to 50 people. But we are totally focused on the revenue, which is the lowest. We are more focused on the lowest revenue. This is McDonald's McGrill, which is only there for a user. This is just a segment. You should not focus on this segment. Whereas what we are doing as a user is, as a UPOS owner is, that we are 100% focused on this only. Even at the best rate, even if you are getting the entire 60,000 rupees of bill from that guy, you are not earning more than 180 rupees. And you are making that customer also sad because he's paying 3% extra. Whereas in any of the other segment, he is not paying anything extra. Instead, he is making money instantly. Correct? Now I will go to the website and show you what is the benefit for you product wise. I hope you must have seen your dashboard like this. Have you ever seen your dashboard? Okay. So now let's go into the commission segment. Let's first see the mega brand commission. And this is a very simple calculation which you have to do. Just click on this commission. You will get it ascending or descending order. So what I have done is I have done a descending order. Now you see Arrow shirt is giving you 14%. Arrow's tail is giving you 14%. Flying machine is giving you 14%. US Polo is giving you 14%. VLCC is giving you 8%. Baskin Robbins is giving you 4%. How many of us are selling this? Lifestyle is giving you 1%. West Side is giving you 1%. Mainland China is giving you 1%. Machan is giving you 1%. Then departmental stores, Shoppers Stop is giving you 0.5% and 1%. JP Pulse is giving you 0.5% and 1%. Only Brand is giving you 4%. Now you see the amount of incentive that you are going to earn. And these are some really big brands which you cannot afford to buy their franchise. But now with UPOS, you are able to get such a high commission on that. Westside, 4%. Ginny and Johnny, 4%. Fab Hotels, 4%. Helios, 4%. Levi's, 4%. You see, Titan, 4%. Soch, 4%. Fast Track, 4%. Vera Moda, 4%. So on and so forth. Himalaya, 3%. People take Himalaya supplements. And they are not getting any cashback if they are going directly. You have to find these things. You will not, like Bata, you are getting 3%. Why are we not promoting these brands when these brands are paying us such a high revenue? And we have not invested in their franchise. Please understand this. There is no other facility in this world where you can get all the franchise in just one go. Just one go. Still, we are not focusing on them. Let's say hometown, 2% on the bill amount. Hometown's bill would be at least 50,000 rupees whenever you sell this. Because furniture will cost them at least 20, 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. Average will come at 50,000 rupees. One customer can give you 2% of that, which is 1,000 rupees. In just one bill. I'm not talking about the year bill. He might purchase a number of things yearly. But I don't see a point where people are, why they are, and these are brands. These are brands. You need not to convince anybody on this, because whatever cashback they are getting it instantly in their account, or maybe through SCB, RPP, FIFO, whatever they are choosing. Because now once you look in SCB, RPP, My Circle, you are getting higher commission also. Plus, when you make them user through your referral, you will get unke cashback ka 10%. This is a very big point you have to understand. There is a two-way income into this. In My Circle, he makes 10,000, you also make 1,000 rupee. He makes 10 lakh rupees, you may also make 1 lakh rupee. So every user in your UPOS is minting money for you, but somehow you are only focused on bill pay and recharge, which is not minting any money for you. After so much, look, if today I start walking, I'm a child, I start walking, and somebody puts 100 kg on me, I'll not be able to walk, no? Somehow as a UPOS, you are trying to do that only. Somehow as a UPOS, you are trying to do that only. Why? Because you think bill pay recharge is the easiest segment. That you think only. But there you have to convince a customer over 3% extra convenience fee that we are charging. And after convincing also, you have nothing to earn. Even he gives his 100% bill to you of 60,000 rupees annually, still you are earning only 180 rupees. It should be used as chicken mackerel or a mac aloo tikki. You should say that I can pay your bill, whatever, and you just tell him that this is the option. Rest everything you have to offer, like these people do to us. You have to learn from these brands. These brands are successful brands. You have to learn their strategies. You tell me one brand which advertises his, whenever they will advertise, they will always advertise their low-end product, which will pull the mass into their outlet. And once that mass is in, they will try and cross-sell the other products which are on high revenue products for them. So you have advertised, you have now got your customer. Now you have to pitch. If you will have this thing in your mind, then only you are going to get this. If you don't have this thing in mind, you will not be able to do it. Because once you have, like in Myntra vouchers, you have 1% and 0.5%. Myntra is giving all cash back from his pocket. Why are we not selling Myntra? Yatra Hotels, E-Zone, Fashion at Big Bazaar, Food Bazaar, I need not to, Kalyan Jewelers, 0.8% and 0.4% as a direct revenue, not even investing a single penny in gold, you are earning from them. And again, if someone goes for a gold, he will not buy gold for 5 rupees or 10 rupees or 100 rupee or maybe 5,000 rupee. He is there to buy for at least 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. And that gives you a good revenue. And you are not investing into it. Again and again, I'm repeating it. But you are not focusing on the products which are giving you high revenue. Same ways, just go into best shopping websites. See the commission structure. Like Hosting Raja is giving you 30% commission. 30% commission. Have we ever saw this? How much this Hosting Raja is giving you? You can answer this. Do you know this, that Hosting Raja is giving you 30% commission? How many of you knew this? Okay, first one is no, 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 no. You see, this is the highest revenue product for you and you don't even know it. And I have just seen it by clicking, on the commission structure, which is given to you on your dashboard only. If you will not explore your shop, you will not get the confidence on this. Don't know what is Hosting Raja. Hosting Raja is simple domain buying or server space buying company, just like you have this GoDaddy or something. So there people can go and buy these hosting domains and you get commission on that. And which is a huge revenue for you. 30% is a huge revenue. Let's say that person is buying a space or maybe a website for 5,000 rupees, you get 30% out of that. 30% out of that. It is just like your this GoDaddy and all. Correct? Zivame, 23%. How many of you know this? You can again write in the chat box. I can only say this, whatever product we bring in, like Amazon, men apparel you sell, you get 7%, 7% in CBRPP by circle and 2.4% in IC. Correct? You have to just go and see where you are getting higher commissions. Ajio, you are getting 6.5%. Adidas, you are getting 5.5%. You have to just go and check your UPOS. It is all given in UPOS. I am not showing you something which is my presentation made by me. It is already there. Brand might come and go for some time, but this is a standard structure that we have got from them. In between, they might go and come back, right? But you should know that what are the inventories you have. Because again, after 15 days, you will see another 180 brands are going to be added in this kitty. Apollo Clinic is getting added in this. Tanish will be added in this. You have to know what products you have and what is the easiest selling product for you. Forget about bill pay and recharge for some time. Please, guys, I have advised to many of them, you have to get out of this bill pay and recharge thing. It is just like chicken mackerel for a customer. If he understand, it is okay. If not, then you have an entire catalog. Even yesterday, I was thinking of even removing this bill pay recharge. I think this is the first hurdle that a UPOS has to cross to sell other products. Correct? Amazon watches, home kitchen. See how the category wise also you can see here. Apparels, you have 5%. Amazon Fire Stick, you get 5%. Amazon watches, you get 5%. Jewelry, excluding gold coins and everything, you get 5% on jewelry on Amazon. It is a good income, no? We have not explored it even. Ajio and Pantaloon are not able to find, sir. As I already told you, there are always brands sometime get displayed, sometime don't get displayed because of their some internal issues, whatever they have. But you should know this. Whenever they are coming again, you should jump onto it, right? So I'm just showing you what are the products and the catalog, and from where you can find this. Like Amazon home kitchen, if you sell from Amazon and you sell their home and kitchen appliances, you get 5%. You see, today you talk to any distributor, any retailer who is having a shop, they will also not have a 5% margin. But with Global Garners UPOS, you are having those margin without even investing into it. Why are we not utilizing it? I don't have a clue. AliExpress, you get 3.5% flat. Amazon Health and Personal Care, you get 3%. I will only suggest everyone to go on this website and go on your dashboard and just check what are the commissions available to you. Everything is given here only. Your store commission, which vendor is giving you what, is already given you, your local stores. So you have to just go and check what is there for you and what is giving you what. If you are not going to check it, nobody else is going to check it. Because if you go into your calculator, like you recently we have launched cars, you can sell car and earn almost 25,000 rupees flat. If even a year's time you are able to sell 10 cars, it is minting you money, no? 1 lakh rupees you will earn from only by selling cars. So it's a huge revenue which you have to think. All segments are given, but somehow we are only focusing on that segment which is giving us nothing, almost nothing. We are not focusing on the loan part, which is giving us good revenue. We are not focusing on the real estate, which is giving us good revenue. Plus retail is there. You see, we have taken clothing to be only 3%, whereas on an average, you see, we are getting 14-10% over there. Correct? We have not taken VLCC and anything in consideration, which is giving us 8%. In fact, we have not even considered that here. If you raise that bar to 8%, 10%, your revenue is bound to increase. But again, I will say you are only focused on this 30.3%, and where you are getting a total commission of 180 rupees per annum. Think over it. I don't have a gyan to give today. I just want you to be this discussion to be very crisp, and you should focus on the brands which are giving you high revenue. Only focus on the brands, because look, it is ultimately you have purchased this UPOS to get high revenue. Even if you are getting low revenue. Second thing, I have seen people not making agents. Why are you not making agents when it is not a cost to that agent? Everybody would love to become your agent because he need not to invest anything. The second big point is create agents, because it is totally free of cost for the agent, right? How many of you have recruited agents under you? How many agents you have recruited? 2, 3, 1, not yet. I have one agent. 4, 5, 0. You see, you should have done immediately. The problem with our UPOS is it's a very low cost product. And now even public has started saying that. If you would have taken a high cost for this product, you would have been serious for this business. Because this product comes with such a low cost, no, you take it as a secondary business. Whereas this should be taken as your primary business, because this can give you that income which your current business cannot give you. And that too without risk. It's a zero risk business for you. I don't know what is stopping you to recruit these 18 agents immediately, because you can tell anybody, no, ki bhai, I have purchased it for 54,000 rupees. I will give it to you for free. Because these agents will bring a lot of revenue to you. If you are not bringing even a single customer on your own, not even single customer on your own, still if you will see, you will be earning almost 1.5 crore rupees just by adding 18 customers. and these 18 agents are just servicing 10 customer every month. So by the end of year they will be having 120 customer each. They would be earning almost 8 lakh rupees per year. But because they are earning 8 lakh rupees per year, you will also be earning 8 multiplied by 18, because you have 18 agents. And good part, I tell you, yesterday Amit has shared with you, and that was our news to me also, that there is a person who has purchased our UPOS and living in Dubai. But because he has family here in India, he is developing that business from Dubai. So this is the big part of Global Garner, no? You can make agent cross border also. You can give your UPOS extension to person sitting in Canada and having his family here in India. You have to be a thinking mind. We have given you everything. It is you who has to start thinking on those lines, because you have to think of all possibilities. As we say in our BOPs, you have that power. Now if let's say now you start your My Circle also, you would be the best person to start My Circle, because to start My Circle you only need 6 referrals, and I'm 100% sure these 18 agents can become your referrals. No, forget about anybody else. So you can start 3 My Circles on basis of your agents itself. I don't know why you are not thinking like that, because these 3 agents will be buying something from for their own living also, no? And once they have their own UPOS, they will buy through that UPOS only, because they are getting commission out of that, they are getting cashback out of that. Why would they go anywhere else? Every UPOS owner can have 3 My Circle going every month. Think of it. Think of it. You have eligibility to earn 3 crore every 9 months through My Circle only. Rest other incomes are as it is, because your 18 agents who are under you free of cost are going to buy at least 10,000 rupees, not if not 50,000. So for you, it's a very simple business, but somehow you are missing that, because it's not a big cost. If it would have been a 50 lakh rupees business and 1 crore rupee loan, you would have done whatever it would have required to pay that loan. That is what we are doing in our real business, in real time business. We want loans on our business. We want to take risk. We want to do, because that has been taught to us. No, if there is a zero risk business, we are not interested into that. Though we have purchased it. I'm not here to sell UPOS. Again, please note that we are doing this program for the person who has already purchased the UPOS. So I'm not reselling you. I'm not charging any fees for this, but I'm making you realize what you have purchased and why you are not using it. That is my question to you. Why we are not utilizing the potential of this UPOS? I will not even say this is Ferrari. This is an airplane where you can also fly. You can board your family around with that also, and you can fly around with this. But somehow we are missing that. We are not giving it a thinking mind, and for which now you need not to pay anything to Global Garner, nothing. But people are only focusing on those brands which are not on Global Garner. People are only focusing on those things which are not giving high revenue. I don't know why. You already saw so many brands, almost 27,000 brand outlets are already in this. 126 websites are already into this. And as we are growing, the number of local vendors is also increasing. What is stopping you to multiply yourself? Your 18 agent itself is a multiplier. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. Your 18 agents are actually your 3 My Circles, your 3 crore in 9 months. Your 3 crore in 9 months, guaranteed, if you have understood what I'm trying to say. If you have not understood, please ask this question to me. Because once you have shopped, your agent will also shop from that UPOS only, which you have lent to them. So it is an easy referral for you. You need only 6 referral to start your My Circle, no? So these guys are the best person for you to start your My Circle. Think of it. I think rest I have already told you. Anything now, I'll close this session and we'll take questions regarding to whatever I have told you. You can raise hand and I can unmute you. Just hold on. Okay, please go ahead. Mr. Ashok Kumar, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Can we have this learning session in parts, in levels, level 1, level 2, level 3, so that at least we know where to start and where to end?
I think today I was very slow. If you have seen,
so much to learn. We don't know where to start and what is the end.
No, that is why we have kept.
Yes, again, it was really good.
Yeah.
But again,
then I will only suggest go. I'm doing these sessions daily. In Ask Vikas, I'm there available for you at 6:30 to 7:30 daily. So all you need to do is go on your UPOS, create your questions, come back to me every day. You can come to me every day and I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. You have to remember one thing, guys. Until unless you will not ask, we are not able to understand what do you want. It is just like when a baby cries, then only mother feeds him. If mother and child relation is like that, when child cries, then only mother feeds, then we are the company, no? You have to create that cry that I want to learn more about it. We will create those avenues for you where you can come and learn, or you can ask questions. If you will not ask, we will design the way we think that it is good, right? Yeah, Mr. Ashok Kumar, you can unmute yourself. Mr. Ashok Kumar.
hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is the same question.
Okay.
How can we have some tutorials in levels, level 1, level 2, level 3?
What do you mean by levels? Look, we have told you that this is the segment that you can use. Now you go and use them, right? The person who has sold you this UPOS, you have to go back to him and ask question, how should I start? Let's say he's not able to answer you. You can again come back to me. Every day I am doing a 6:30 to 7:30 session. There you can come and try it. But until unless you will not open your UPOS, you will not be able to generate questions, because this is the thing that we want to tell. It is level 1, level 2, whatever you can think. This program we are doing for 5 days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Today it's a 5th day. Sorry, 4th day, I think. Yeah, whatever. So we have already divided this session in 4 or 5 days. So you have to understand this, that yes, this session requires you to ask question. We have already divided this entire thing in 5 days. Now you have to go back and do that practical on your UPOS. Once you do that practical session, and then you have a real question to ask, because without you getting into water, we cannot teach you swimming, no, through screens. You have to get into water to learn this swimming. Correct? Thank you. Mr. Venkatesh Rao. Mr. Venkatesh Rao. Mr. Venkatesh Rao, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
In car, which particular brand we have tied up?
All brands, all brands.
Brands. Excellent, excellent.
And best part is that we will match the price of your city. It is not that we are giving a higher price, because initially what we used to do was our price was 2 to 5% more than what your city price was. But we were giving the 100% real money cashback also on that. But now what we have done is we have associated with another agency also, which is giving us flat commission. But it is not, we are not able to give that real money cashback. GG money cashback will not come, but the client who is buying that car from us will get 100% GG coins.
Got it.
Correct? But you get a flat commission on that. Okay.
Thank
GG is Harish Mohan. Harish Mohan ji, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, the agents can be, I'm audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible.
The agents can be appointed only in the state or anywhere in India?
Anywhere in the India, and best part is they will be visible in their area. It is not that they are under you, so they will be visible in your area. So let's say you are in Karnataka and you want to make an agent in Delhi.
Okay,
That
sir.
agent will be visible in Delhi only.
Okay,
Just
sir.
like you are visible in Karnataka. These are two different UPASs which are created, right?
Okay, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
Mr. Rajesh, please unmute yourself.
Vikas ji,
Yeah.
actually in GG voucher, we are creating GG voucher, one part. That voucher we are used in user app. The another part, wallet money, we are loading the wallet money. Actually, what is the both difference? As a UPass holder,
Voucher is for users.
Sir?
Voucher is for users. Wallet is for UPAS.
Acha,
User doesn't have a wallet from our side.
correct.
Correct? Yeah.
Actually, I bought one voucher. I create one voucher. I bought Bata showroom. I spent 4,000 rupees, but I am not using that wallet amount. So I will get only the user benefits only, correct?
No. If you have created that voucher through your UPAS,
Okay.
you would get commission also. And let's say you have, let's say as a UPAS, you were supposed to get 4% commission, correct?
No, actually, I create the voucher in the user app only in front.
Okay. Then you will not get UPAS benefit. You should have, what you should have would have done is, you should have created that voucher through your UPAS.
Acha.
So when you will create that voucher through your UPAS, now your user will use this voucher anywhere in the country, right?
Okay.
Wherever he uses that, you will get commission automatically in your account.
Acha.
But it has to be generated from your UPAS for your UPAS benefit.
Okay.
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 Mr. Raja, Mr. Ilai Raja, you can unmute yourself. Mr. Raja, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, just now you show that the mega brands,
Yeah.
commissions and the details. And
Correct.
there is vouchers, digital vouchers and the card. What is the difference between that card and the vouchers, sir?
Card is a physical voucher, a physical card that you get, no?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, yeah. That's
Card is the physical voucher, physical
Voucher.
card, and digital is digital, which
Okay,
comes
okay.
in your
Thank you, sir.
app. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you, thank you.
Mr. Bijumon. Mr. Bijumon. Mr. Bijumon, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning, Mr. Vikas.
Yeah, good morning.
Mr. Vikas, regarding this branded vouchers,
Mhm.
now my question is how it will be applied, like a person who is in a village or is in a remote place or in a, like is in a township where there is no Alan Soli or any shop like that. He can go and get it from any other shop, or it is mandatory that he should go to the brand means store itself.
If he is buying a brand voucher, then he has to go to that brand only, no?
Okay, so then only you can use that. So it is applicable only in metros.
Not only metros, whatever shop you have in your area, you can make them a digital vendor for Global Ghana, no? It is not only applicable on brands. It is applicable on the local vendor also, no?
Alan Soli I can use for at the local vendor shop also.
No, I am saying Alan Soli voucher will work at Alan Soli only. But you have
Okay.
local vendors also, no, in Global Garner. You can sell local vendors also to your customers.
Yeah, that is there. Yeah, and this high, yeah. So higher revenue, what do you say, commission.
Hmm.
So, okay, now for the local vendors, we can just highlight those things and we can attract the customers.
Correct.
That
correct.
I understand. Yeah, fine.
Exactly.
Okay.
You have to understand you are the wholesaler of the economy. You
Okay.
have everything what economy has to sell. Now it is up to you how you place it to your customer. Like yesterday, Ramesh bhai told you, no, you have to ask your customer, what can I do more for you? What is the extra thing that you want to buy? You have to keep on asking, just like any brand does, no? When you go to McDonald's, today I took McDonald's example. Why? Because they are best at it. You
Yeah,
are
that
here
is
to buy
correct.
that 100 rupee burger also, they will make that order to 500 rupee.
Even I was attracted with the bill pay only.
Exactly. Everybody does that. Everybody does that. But somehow
Yeah.
you have to think as businessman. What is giving you more money? You have to, and with less efforts. In
Yes.
electricity and everything, you have to put more effort because you are charging 3% extra.
Correct.
And until and unless your customer doesn't know about the entire ecosystem of Global Garner, he will not be able to convince you. You will not be able to convince him. But
Correct.
the other part of Global Garner, which is not bill pay and recharge, is giving you high revenue, and your customer is a happy customer because on first go he is earning something.
Correct.
Correct? Yeah.
Correct. Thank you.
It's a bullseye, Guru.
Yes. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Right. So, see, when I create a voucher,
Yeah.
I mean, see, the customers are usually, let's assume they're happy to pay from their credit cards for larger transactions.
Mhm.
Okay, when I create a voucher, I mean, can I take their credit card to create this voucher, or do I have to use it from my wallet only?
Yeah, you can do that, but it has to be uploaded to your wallet.
Oh, their credit card details have to be uploaded to my wallet,
Yes.
because that would be a
If
challenge.
you want,
Because
look, again, Guru, you want to create your challenging situation, you can do that.
no, the point is,
you can say that, sir, if I open my car showroom in front of Maruti showroom, how would I sell? Because people will be more inclined to open at my Maruti showroom. How many people use credit card, first of all? It is, you can count on numbers, because still in India, everybody is not inclined towards credit card. Let's say there are 10% customer who use that. You can tell them, upload that money in Paytm or whatever, and then transfer it to you through Paytm only, no?
from credit card to Paytm too.
There are n number of things. You have to only use your head. That's it.
Right. No, because when I talk about large volume, large transactions, let's say somebody is going to Kalyan Jewelers and he wants to buy for 3 lakhs and I create a voucher. I mean, okay, now that you've got an option, it's okay. Otherwise, the vendor should be able to afford 3 lakhs. I mean, who are the UPAS holder should be able to have 3 lakhs in his wallet or pay that upfront.
Why you should have? You can ask that guy to just put that money in Global Garner directly, no? And you just give that detail to Global Garner and we will upload that wallet money. You even need not to take it to your account. Many of them are doing this like this only, no?
Okay.
So as a UPAS, let's say you want to sell a Kalyan voucher worth rupees 10 lakh. Okay? Now you don't want that money to come to you. You want only a wallet balance. What you can tell your customer is just upload that money to Global Garner by any means, and we will give them. We'll give you a credit of that.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Fair enough. Thank you.
Mr. Ramesh, A.R. Ramesh. Mr. A.R. Ramesh, you can unmute. Yeah.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Sir, so मेरा friend एक car लेने के लिए बात किया था. Yes. So all brands are listed in our network. Is it
correct?
Okay. So normally जो expense या जो खर्चा कर रहे हैं वो वापस मिलेगा, यही तो हमारा main आएगा.
ये अभी जो हमने नया हमने टाई अप किया है, इसमें हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम प्राइस मैच कर रहे हैं. वी आर मैचिंग द प्राइस ऑफ योर लोकल स्टेट.
Okay.
Therefore, we are not committing on the GG money part. we are only giving GG coins, which he can go and convert into My Circle.
Okay.
So you also get a flat commission, and he also gets flat 100% coins in his user wallet, and there he can use it in his this thing, My Circle cashback, and where he can convert that into real money.
उनका यूपीवी नहीं क्रिएट होगा.
यूपीवी नहीं क्रिएट होगा, करेक्ट. क्योंकि
UPV
यूपीवी
नहीं
वाला
create
वेंडर
होगा.
क्या है हमारा, जो वो 2% से लेके 4% कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज करता है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द ब्रांड.
Okay.
Because
So
then he has to do everything centrally.
So यूपीवी कहाँ पर क्रिएट नहीं होगा हमारे नेटवर्क में?
एक दो जगह ही है जहाँ पे जैसे DMT आप करते हो तो वहाँ पे यूपीवी क्रिएट नहीं होता है, and you will see that it is given in our website also. There are hardly 4 or 5 brands where we don't generate UPVs.
और बाइक वगैरह?
बाइक अभी हमने शुरू नहीं किया.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Mr. Sangmugam.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, we are getting customers for grocery purchase very easily, sir. How to get customers for mega brands and mega websites? Is there any way like getting vendor from Just Dial like that?
Look, you have to simple propose to your customer.
Okay.
It's a sales thing. You have to ask me, do you want this thing? If you are going to gift something to your friend, let's say it's a birthday of your child, you can gift him, let's say Ginny and Johnny ka kapda, right? Clothing
Okay,
from
sir.
Ginny, Johnny. So you should know your customer. Yesterday, Ramesh bhai told you, no, that you
Yes,
should
sir.
know your customer. The more you know about your customers, you
Okay,
can propose him more and more products, right?
Okay, sir. Okay,
That is
new
an
way of
important key.
promoting. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Mr. Praveen Kumar. Mr. Praveen Kumar, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning, Yogesh.
Yeah, good morning.
What is the commission for this GG voucher if you are getting in UPass?
A GG voucher flat commission is, I think, 0.3% to 0.5%. But in backend, whenever your user will use them, so let's say you have sold someone a 10,000 rupees GG voucher. Instantly, you will get 0.3% or 0.5% instantly. But now when he goes and use it, let's say on Bata, now on Bata, you are eligible for 3% commission. So you already got 0.5%. Now 2.5% will be credited to you.
Okay.
Because once he is buying the voucher, we don't know where he is going to use it.
Okay.
So as soon as he uses it, that commission is also coming to you. Okay.
When you use this in Flipkart, how much they will get?
As per the Flipkart commission structure, you can see
Flipkart
that in your commission. I don't remember that. I think it is 4.5% or 0.8%, something like that.
Okay. When you purchase the GG voucher, you will get only 0.3%.
0.3 to 0.5%.
Yeah, 0.3 only because day before yesterday we created a voucher for 10,000 rupees.
The 0.3%.
And the valid is 30 rupees. It has been credited.
Okay. So it would be 0.3% only.
0.3. Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Nitya Raman. Mr. Nitya Namar. Mr. Nitya Raman, yeah. Mr. Nitya Raman, I'm not able to hear you. Your mic shows that you are talking. Okay, I think your network is a problem. Nitya Ramanji, we are not able to hear you. Sorry.
Good morning.
You can switch off your camera. I think your then we might be able to. Nitya Ramanji, we are not able to hear you.
Suggestion question. I think.
Nitya Ramanji, we are not able to hear you.
Can you hear me?
No.
Right now?
Your voice is not clear.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yeah, much better.
Okay, 1 minute.
You can switch off your camera. That might be
Sir, now.
internet. Please be quick.
Right. So now. Okay. So again, send
Oh, he has gone. Okay, Mr. Shant Kumar. Mr. Shant Kumar.
Morning, Mr. Vikash.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Can we bring in used cars as a vendor?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, fine.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Narsimha Vizag. Mr. Narsimha Vizag.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, as a UPOS owner, if I have created two agents on 50-50 sharing, commission part shares GG company, or as a UPOS owner, I have to share the commission to their respective bank accounts?
No. Company will split that commission and 50% will come to you and 50% will go directly to him.
Direct to agent's bank account?
Yeah. Not
What
bank
are the
account, but to his wallet, and then he can withdraw to his bank account.
Okay, sir. Sir, it should be in 50-50 or 60-40 bhi chalega, sir?
I have no issue. You can do 90-10 also.
Right, sir.
Between you and the UPOS owner.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Subhashini Bala Mukundan.
Sir, very good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
If Maruti car worth rupees 5 lakhs a new car purchased.
Sorry?
If Maruti car, any model we can purchase 5 lakhs rupees worth car.
Okay.
It will one UPV equal to 10,000 rupees.
Right.
5 lakh means 50 UPV is
I already
generated.
told you, in cars there will be no UPV generation. It is only GG coins that you are getting.
Okay, GG coin means 5 lakh rupees means 5 lakh coin.
5 lakh coins. Yeah.
Okay.
And that person that use those coins and they can convert them into real money in my circle. Okay. Mr. Swami, Mrs. Swami, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, very good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, regarding this insurance renewal premium,
yeah,
any customer will come to our UPOS person and they want to pay for renewal commission, already previous taken policy. How we can do the same business?
For renewals in life we cannot do it, but in general we can do it.
Okay.
In general, we can take a policy, running policy, and we can renew that policy, and you can get a commission on that, and that customer will also get the cashbacks.
Okay, sir. In general means I can another doubt in this, because in general means, for example, we take a one car insurance.
Yes.
In the same particular person, if anyone can ask the same company, then the same also we can do it, sir.
Yeah. Same.
For example, I have the one car, and I previously purchased in policy in Bajaj. Same Bajaj, I want the same continue policy. Even then we can get a commission.
Same you can continue, no issue.
Okay. In life, we can add it after 3-4 months or otherwise anything.
No. In life, we cannot do it because it is restricted by IRDA, no?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Murli Mohan. Mr. Murli Mohan, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Sorry?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Sorry, your voice is not clear. हाँ, बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा.
ठीक है सर, मेरे को वो ही चाहिए.
Mr. Prabhu, you can unmute yourself. Mr. Prabhu, you can unmute yourself. Mr. Prabhu, please unmute yourself. Okay, Mr. Satyanarayan, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Such a wonderful session.
Oh,
yeah.
Thank you.
Sir, actually regarding the gold purchase.
Okay.
In only Kalyan Jewelry is the only vendor in our GG.
Correct.
For example, yesterday my brother was purchased 1,50,000 rupees gold
Okay.
from local vendor. He is not a GG vendor. He is
Okay.
other local vendor.
Mm-hmm.
If they are willing to pay 2.99% convenience charges,
Okay.
can I upload that bill?
Okay. No.
So after uploading the bill, can I get the commission as UPOS owner?
No, but 2.99% is only in applicable on bill pay and recharge segment. The rest, everything is 5 plus.
Okay, everything is 5 plus.
Yeah.
Okay. If they paid 5 plus, can I get the commission for them?
Yeah,
From
yeah.
the
Everything
that transaction?
as it is.
So as a UPOS owner, I can get that.
Yeah, yeah. Bilkul.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Narsimha Vizag. Mr. Narsimha Vizag, you can unmute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, when we car buy, we do not get UPVs user right now.
You will not get UPVs.
At the same way, if we buy any site on in real estate sector, can we get UPVs, sir?
In real estate, you are getting UPVs.
Okay, sir. That is my question.
Okay. Okay.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Mr. David. Mr. David, you can unmute yourself. Mr. David, you can unmute yourself. Yeah.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, I had a doubt on UPass. If we add 18 agents in our UPass,
yeah,
whether we will get if we are giving 50% of our income agents, it will be very profit to us, or our earnings will share to the 18 agents. Can you?
No, your income is not shared with those agents. Your income will be 100% with you only. The users you are servicing, 100% will come to you. But your agent's 50% income is coming to you.
Okay.
So it
Every
is
agent
of their agent which comes to you, not your earning which will go to the agent.
Oh, their earnings will be converted to us.
Yes. So let's say they are earning 4 lakh rupees a year. So you will also be earning 4 lakh rupees a year on them. Because let's say you have done a 50-50 sharing. So they are earning 4 lakh. That means you are also earning 4 lakh rupees a year. But because you have 18 agents, so it is 4 lakh multiplied by 18.
Oh, yes.
So it would be approximately 72 lakh odd every year that you will be earning.
Oh, nice. Super.
Yeah.
This is my doubt, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you. Rajesh, Mr. Rajesh.
Ji.
Yeah.
Actually, where I get that UPass voucher creating procedure and all.
In UPass? Simple. I'll just show you. Just hold on.
Because like me person, we have bought a UPass. Today we are a lot of opportunities there, but we don't know how to use. There is
that is why we are doing this session, no? So that you know, because people have purchased UPass. I don't know why, but then they are not utilizing the full potential of UPass.
We have Akshay Patra. We don't know how to use. There is a problem.
No issue. So all you need to do is this. My screen is visible to you all, no?
Yes.
So now all you need to do is go in Mega Brands.
Okay.
And the first voucher is Global Garner voucher.
Okay.
So now you can sell it from here. So you have to just add your customer as normal. You can do it, right?
Okay.
And
Thank you.
It's very simple. All you need to do is, if you have any query like this, I come every day in morning for 1 hour.
Okay.
Come and ask any question there. And for anything about business, I am always available, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Second one is Mr. Rajesh. Mr. Arun, you can unmute yourself. Mr. Arun, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning, Vikas ji.
Yeah, good morning.
In loan segment, if I refer through my UPass, so the customer can get both UPV and coins. Is correct?
No. In loans again, there is only GG coins only.
Okay.
Because understand, where we are not getting 5% plus commission, we are unable to process the cashback because then it doesn't come in our calculation. And loans, gold coins, cars are the segment where there is very low margin. So
Okay.
therefore, now what we are trying to do is we are including those vendors also who are not giving us more than 5%, and now we are giving only GG coins on them.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ji.
Because still these GG coins can be converted into real money in my circle. So if still it is a big benefit for a user, right?
Yes. Thank you, Ji.
Mr. Swami, you can unmute yourself. Mr. Swami, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, once again, good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Sir, just now I asked about that regarding that insurance, and you told me that very clearly for only in general.
Right.
And again, I got one doubt for this, the same in the general. Any health insurance also comes into the general part only, no?
Yeah, if that comes, it can be done.
Okay, the same thing. So any customer can purchase that health insurance policies previous year, and we want to renew it, and we can add it for this.
Yeah.
Okay. And another one more doubt, sir. I am already taken as a ACP also.
Okay.
How can I enroll this real estate vendor?
That section I will take another time because today we are only discussing.
I can call you on tomorrow morning. Right?
Yeah, you come tomorrow morning. We'll discuss this.
Yes, sure, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Finally, I don't see any hand now. I think yeah. Okay, Mr. Sri Krishna. Just hold on. You can unmute yourself. Yeah, please go ahead.
Good morning, sir. I've lost my voice. I hope I'm clear to you.
Yeah, you are very much clear to me. Please go ahead.
So you were just mentioning about agents who can function from abroad.
Yes.
They can do that, right, sir?
Right, you can do that. Yes.
Okay, sir. Now, the point is, what's the difference of them functioning as an agent or as an UPOS owner, sir? Do they?
As a UPOS, they would have invested 54,000. As an agent, they would have not invested anything.
Is that the only difference, sir?
And secondly, they would be getting the share that a UPOS owner is giving it to them.
Fine, so sir. No, I'm not. Sorry, sir. Sorry for interrupting. I'm not talking from the income point of view, sir. I'm talking about the functioning point of view, the technicalities.
It is 100% functionable and it is as good as UPOS. The only small drawback is that they have to use wallet of the main holder.
Oh, the UPOS holder.
Every time they want to use a UPOS wallet, it is the UPOS owner's wallet which is going to be deducted. So he has to wait for his approval.
Fine, sir. So holding the UPOS themselves will facilitate them to enable
do anything and everything. Like this Dubai guy is doing what he has purchased his own UPOS and now he's creating his income.
Fine, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Mr. Venkat, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, previously vouchers came very fast, sir, but nowadays it takes so much time. I mean, it is 1 hour. Sometime it takes 3 hours.
Because we are integrating a new vendor, so very soon it will be live like previously. So you have to bear with us for another 10 more days. So you will get new brands also and new operator also.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Bala Kumaran, please unmute yourself. Mr. Bala.
Sir, I am an ACP.
Yeah.
You announced the shareholding pattern. You announced.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you can tell me the details of the how much UPOS sold? I can.
This question again do not belong to this. So come again tomorrow morning. I'll explain that. And anyways, the entire document is given to your state head. You can just ask him that document. You will get every information in that.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Tomorrow morning I will ask this.
Okay. No issue. Come again. Mr. Abdullah Riaz, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah. When a customer take a loan, the UPOS owner is going to get the commission on the amount sanctioned, isn't it?
Right.
Okay. Then the customer is going to get
GG coin.
GG coins on the total amount he took.
Correct.
This is applicable to insurance also the same way?
Same way. But insurance, you get UPV also.
Insurance you are getting UPV also. Okay, right.
Yeah. Okay. Mr. Shakuntala. Oh, sorry.
Mrs. Shakuntala. Good morning, sir.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sir, I am staying in Mangalore and in BC Road, but our rural electrical is not coming. This only Mangalore must come has come.
Ma'am,
So
I will only say just contact your state head. He will tell you the process of doing any bill. Any bill means any bill.
Okay,
Contact your state head. He will tell you the process.
okay, sir. My MCP is Srisha, sir.
Who is?
Srisha.
I would know the state head. So which state do you belong?
I'm Karnataka, sir.
Okay, then you can contact Devraj. Devraj is our state head there, so he'll guide you how to do it.
Okay, sir. No, I contacted Srisha, sir.
Okay.
He told the processing is going on.
No, you can do it right now also. There is a process given, a manual process given to them, so you can follow that process.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Okay.
Actually, I don't know Devraj sir's number, so.
You can ask Srisha, he will give you, no?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Mr. DS Rao, ACP.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, actually, my question is, once customer is attached to UPOS owner, so next time then he can change the UPOS owner?
If customer wants, yes, he can change.
Okay, okay. Actually, I already joined another UPAS owner. So now I'm going to take a UPAS. So I can change my user also.
Yeah. You can change it. You can just go in your UPOS. You can change your partner, UPOS partner. Sorry, in your user app.
UPOS user. Yes, sir?
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Mr. Venkat. Mr. Venkat, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, just now you told that manual process for current bills.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any possibility for UPOS owner to do that process?
Yeah, UPOS owner can do that. That is why I'm saying, just contact your state head. We have given a standard process for doing any bill pay and recharge.
Okay.
And we are doing it manually. Therefore, you have to get a guidance from your state head. That is why I'm saying contact your state head.
Sir, okay. Sir, please tell state head that please create a group and forward the global governor each and everything.
Which state you belong?
Andhra, sir.
Andhra. Or you can do one thing. Are you in our group, which is Telegram group?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So today I'll put this process there, so everybody would know.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I think I am done now. It is good news that I don't have any question now. Oh, Mr. Prakash. Mr. Prakash, you can unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Good morning. Actually, I have one doubt. I can renew my general insurance for my car. If it is available in our.
Yeah, it is available with srbima.com.
Okay. We can renew that coming.
Yes. You can renew also, and on that you get UPV also, and you get GG coins also.
Okay. There is any options for full coverage or off coverage like that?
Yes. All options are available. All insurance companies are there. All options are also there.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Arun, you can unmute yourself. Odi Baba. Mr. Arun, you can unmute yourself.
Again, good morning, Vikas ji. One of my friend is dealing with cryptocurrencies.
We don't entertain cryptocurrency right now.
Okay. Thank you, Vikas ji.
Prabhudeva. Mr. Prabhudev.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Sir, just now you were asking, replying to a question from somebody who had bought a jewelry from local vendor and still he can upload the bill in UPass, and you said yes. And can you just brief me again, sir?
Simple. If that customer, that vendor is ready to pay us 5% commission, we are good to go with them, no?
That is like, you know, he was referring to the already he bought something from that vendor who was not
if that vendor is ready to pay us commission on the sale which is already done, we are okay with that, no? Because that vendor is giving us that commission.
Okay, why would you do that, sir?
Maybe because he want to retain that customer.
All right, sir. I got it.
Let's say if you buy something from me today and I am not giving you any offer, and tomorrow I call you and I tell you that I want to give you 100% cash back, would you not like it?
Yes.
So that is
so after sales, it can be affected also.
Yeah. It has to be approved by vendor. Look, anything which we do, it has to be approved by vendor, because vendor is the first approver of any cashback.
Now, I was under the impression before one has to be a GG vendor. I was under that impression.
No, but he can become a vendor afterward, and then he can also approve his bill, no? Because it is his bill he has to approve.
All right, sir.
Okay.
I got it.
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay. Mr. Samantha Prabhu. Mr. Samantha Prabhu. Mr. Samantha, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir. Samadhana Prabhu from Tirupur.
Yeah.
I have a.
I would appreciate. I think you are the only person who has written your name, CP, and UPass ID. So I really appreciate that effort of yours.
Thank you, sir.
Please go ahead.
I have a small doubt, sir.
Yeah.
If I need to get a mobile phone worth 20,000 from Flipkart.
Okay.
First, I buy GG voucher for 20,000.
Okay.
Then I apply this voucher on the Flipkart site and buy the voucher.
Correct.
Second thing. So as earlier you said, it's 0.34 voucher and 0.45 Flipkart commission. So I get a 0.5 only difference when I get voucher on Flipkart.
Right.
Correct.
You get the difference amount. Let's say you were eligible to get 1% and you got 5.5%. So now the difference amount will be credited to you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And the thing is, and if I buy a GG voucher for 20,000, I get 2 UPVs, right?
Yeah, you get 2 UPVs. Yeah.
Then when I apply this to Flipkart, will I get a UPV?
No. Because you already got that UPV, no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, I think now I'm finally done. And it's time also. Raman Bhaiya, if you are here, we can close this. Ramesh Bhai, sorry. Ramesh Bhai, are you there? Oh, someone is there to ask question. Okay, Mr. Johnny, please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, I have a doubt about the loading the wallet, money loading wallet.
Sorry. Yeah,
Hello?
please go ahead.
A doubt about money load to wallet.
Yeah, you have a doubt of money load to wallet. Okay, please go ahead.
Yeah. If we have 2 agents,
okay,
why don't we have money loading option on agents?
Then what would be the difference between UPass and agent?
But every time we need to approve that request.
Then
right?
please tell me what would be the difference between an agent and UPass?
UPass have already got the commission. If we set 50-50, we got the commission, right?
But then what people will do is 19 people will come together and they will say, I'll give 2,000 each and we all share only 0% commission.
Yeah.
So we have to think like public also think, no? There are smart people around.
Yes.
Thank you.
But every time that's a difficult
Then
one.
you are earning on them. Let's say 74 lakh rupees you are earning from them. You can put a operator in between them, no?
Yeah.
If you are getting so many transactions and you are bothered about those transactions, you can put an operator there.
Yes.
Correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ramesh bhai, are you there? Mr. Satyanarayan, you can ask your question.
Yes, sir. This is my last.
Oh, sorry. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, thank you, sir, giving me opportunity.
Yeah.
So as I know, came to know just now, if I put any staff for the UPOs, is there any training program for them particularly?
Yeah, we can give them training. No, we already have all these videos and everything, and you can call them in such sessions that we are doing right now. Because now Kuber will also be a regular session that we will do every month.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
There is a backend staff also to train them. So don't worry on that. We will train them.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Tomorrow I am appointing one. That's why.
Oh, wow. Great.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Mr. Raman Nair. Oh, sorry. आप co-host थे ना? Just hold on. Ramesh bhai is there. Yeah, Ramesh bhai is also there. मैंने आप दोनों को co-host बनाया था उस समय. Okay, no issue. Now you are co-host. Just hold on. There are few more questions. I'll just answer them and then we'll close this.
Okay.
Just hold on. Mr. Rajneesh, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, same related to staff kind of.
Yeah.
Will we have to share our password to the staff or operator?
Yeah. But what you can do is you can share only one password, which is your UPOS password. You should not share your dashboard password.
Okay.
Because you have two different passwords. You can keep two different passwords for this. We have purposely kept it like this. Now you can have two different passwords because your dashboard has your income and everything.
Perfect. Yes.
Your UPOS doesn't know what is the income.
That would solve a great problem of ours.
Yeah. So it is built like that, but people have to graduate to that level. Then only we will tell this, no? So now, because people are now doing transaction and they want to have staff, so this feature is already built there. So you can have a different password for your UPOS and different password for your dashboard, because dashboard has everything. Your money transfer, your wallet upload, your wallet balance, your money transfer request, everything is there. So that password you can keep it with you, and with staff you can give the other password.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Rao, ACP, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, good morning again, sir.
Last
Sir,
two questions on. Last 8 minutes are left. Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, one of my vendor I given to 10%, but can we reduce the percentage, sir?
No, since it is approved, it cannot be reduced. It can be, of course, you can increase it, but you cannot reduce it.
Okay, sir. One more thing, sir. Regarding the gold UPOS, what we are providing, sir?
In gold UPOS, you get an iPad. You get more movie vouchers and the other vouchers.
Of course.
Plus, you get an eligibility to recruit unlimited agents.
In India?
Not only in India, across world.
Okay.
So you can recruit unlimited agent across world.
Yes. One more thing,
Because
sir.
there are people who are living outside, but they can trade in India also, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because
sir,
they have friends and family here in India.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's why I'm asking, sir. One more thing, sir. Regarding the wallet uploading, we have to send the money your company, or directly we can upload?
You can directly upload, no? There is an option. Of course, the money has to come to Global Garner only, but that gets uploaded on your wallet.
It will. How much it will take time, sir?
30 to 40 minutes.
Okay. Sir, why don't we make immediately cash?
We are working on that technology. We have already integrating that. Once the bank gets integrated, it will be done automatically. It will go.
Okay. But actually, people are already aware about this loading the money. So same technology. Yes.
We will do that.
Yeah. That is easy for everybody. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes. Mr. Jai Hind. Mr. Rajendra, sorry.
Good morning, Vikas ji.
Yeah, good morning.
Where I can see my UPass ID and subscription, I mean the purchase date.
In your profile, it is given, no?
I have already logged in. So is the subscription ID the UPass ID?
Yes.
3-digit number, right?
Yeah.
And then there are 3 dates: plan start date, end date, and subscriber. So which I can consider as purchase date?
I guess your subscription date is your purchase date, no?
Okay. So actually all dates are same for me. So I don't need to worry about it, right?
No need to worry, no?
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Last question for the day, Mr. Venkatesh. Please go ahead.
Yeah. For Gigi voucher, what is the UPass commission, sir?
I already told you, no? The by default commission is 0.3%.
Okay.
Plus, once that voucher is being used, so let's say that voucher is used on, let's say, Bata. So now the difference amount, let's say you were supposed to get 3% on Bata. So now 2.7% will be credited after your customer is using that voucher.
Okay. Okay. Initially, they were telling it is 0.5. That is why.
0.3, 0.5. It is something like that. So I need to.
No, sir. When you are giving voucher, one fixed percentage is enough, no?
Sorry?
When you are giving a voucher, it is 0.5. Previously, it was told that it is 0.5.
Yeah.
Is it 0.5 or 0.3?
I think it has been done 0.3 because it is maximum people are using it on bill pay and recharge only. So we were having a loss of 2% there. So I think it has been done 0.3 now.
Okay. Initially, it was 0.5. That is why the confusion is there.
Yeah, yeah. So now it is 0.3.
Okay. Right.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Raman Bhaiya, now you can close.
Ramesh Bhaiya will be closing.
Yeah, I'm here.
Ramesh Bhai is here. So yeah, please, Ramesh Bhai, please go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for spending your morning with us. Because as usual, very, very educative, very enlightening presentation from you. All of you, we look forward to seeing you tomorrow for the final day of our training program. And we do hope that this program has been of use to you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.